This is how to get your watch hour using mobile device. I'm going to be showing you the step by step from beginning to the end. Just make sure you watch without skipping any part. And also guys, this is totally optional, yes, because it has advantage and disadvantage. The advantage is that you definitely get your watch hour. The disadvantage is that you hear towards the end of the video. All right, let me allow you guys to watch this particular video. First thing for you to do, head over to your Play Store. Where's my Play Store? So once you head over to your Play Store, you click on the search button and you click for BrowseSec. BrowseSec. So this one is actually for those asking about how they can switch VPN, and also you're going to click on install. So this is it right here. That's for different countries. They have for free and paid. So you can just stick with the free version. Click on open. You can use whatever VPN you want to use, but I just prefer to use BrowseSec. So click on accept. Yeah, so here you can actually toggle it on like whatever country you want to do. Click on allow, click on OK, click on grant. Then this just have to set it all up. Then I have to go back. So here we are. Okay, so it's currently on Netherlands, you understand. So once all of that have, if you click right here, you can see several countries that you can actually go for. You understand. But let's just stick with this Netherlands. Let me go back. Okay, it said no internet access. Okay, let me close this and try it again. Let me click on the connect. Click on Netherlands. Yeah, so now it's connecting. So once it has been connected and it has been done, you have to head over to YouTube, search for, I'm trying my best to be super fast. Let me search for my channel name, N with Neka, for example. N with Neka. So once I search for my channel, let's just wait for it to load. The network is quite slow. So once you search for your channel name, this is how it will appear. So look for a long video. So this one is for those asking that, can I use my phone? I've been using laptop for tutorial. So let me just look for a long, okay, this video is actually a 15 minutes long video. All I just need to do, click on this top right corner here. So click on this share button and then I copy my link. So once my link has been copied, I'm going to close this and then I'll go to my Chrome browser. So on the Chrome browser, I'm going to search for viewsync.net. So I'll just wait for this to load. So as you can see, yeah, so depending on the kind of phone you're using, you can actually do more. But for the purpose of this tutorial, let me just do 5. You can do up to like 15, 50, 40, 30, depending on you understand, on how your phone can carry it, because every phone is actually different. But let me just use 5 for the tutorial of this video. So yeah, you click on this plus sign here that says, so yeah, you will now come here. That link we copied from YouTube, come here and paste it. So after that has been done, you can see this is the video actually. So if you look down here, you see another plus, click on it and paste that same link that you copied. So you can see it is my video, right? If you look down again, you still see another plus occur. So I'll just keep pasting my link here till I get like 5 browsers. So I've done for 3 already. So let me click on the 4th one. Click on paste. Here's the 5th one. So I'm going to be clicking on paste. Yeah, so I've actually done for 5. I can actually still go ahead and do more, but let me just do this 5. I can think this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 already. So you can see the test audio here. You can actually test the audio to see maybe it's actually doing fine. But yeah, so if you click on this view sync, you can see all you just need to do here, just copy the link from this view sync. Let me click on it to copy. So I just clicked on it. Yeah, I'll just click on this part here that says copy. So you can see it has been copied. So the next thing for you to do now is to now open another tab. So let me go back here and paste this. So once I paste this, I'll search for it. Yeah, so you can see this is my channel. 5 browsers at the same time. It's all loading up here. So everything is loading up. You can see I have 5 of them already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, don't forget, you have to use the VPN. So once you're done with this particular set, you wait, then you switch VPN again. Like you keep switching VPN after a particular round is done. You can do up to 15 up to 15 videos at once. You know, I just did 5 just for tutorial, because if I do that long, it's going to take our time. So yeah, I can just play. And also make sure that the volume is not too low. You understand? So just make sure the volume is not too low.
Transfer.
Yeah, so you can see everything is already playing. Let me click on this one to play. Yeah, so everything is playing. I started from the bottom. Okay, so this one is actually playing too. So let's just see. Yeah, so everything is actually playing right now. Yeah, you guys can actually see. So everything is playing. So you can see the whole video is playing concurrently. You can see at the same time. Can you guys see? At the same time, the 5 videos are playing concurrently. So this one is for those asking, no, what about phone? Is it possible to use phone? Yes, it's very possible to use phone. You can see this is the 5 video play. So I just look for a long video. So after all of this has been done, for like the first set, you rest a while, then you switch VPN. You understand? Don't use the same VPN for those of us that are interested in trying this particular method. So this method is for those, because a lot of people have been coming to me, please, I need the phone method. Please, I need the phone method. I don't have laptop. So if you don't have laptop, this is the phone method. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to hit on the like button, do well to subscribe, and do well to share. See you again in an. Okay, before I end this particular video, I need to like let you know the disadvantage of using this particular thing, because it seems like I'm just showing you guys, oh, this particular method works, and without telling you guys the disadvantage. It has disadvantage, and the disadvantage is that you are not going to be getting genuine and loyal viewers, loyal audience. Although you'll be getting your watch hour, but you'll not be getting genuine and loyal viewers, because you are the one watching it yourself. So it's now like maybe later, that's when maybe as you're not posting your content, maybe after you're monetized, you're not still posting your content, that's when you can be getting genuine and loyal audience. You understand? So that is like the disadvantage of using this particular method. All right, thank you for watching. Like I said earlier, please do well to hit on the like button, do well to subscribe, and do well to share. See you again in our next video. Bye guys.